In this video, I am going to show you how you can make $500 a day using a simple Forex trading scalping strategy. You can also use this strategy on any time frame and even in crypto and the stock market. This is not only limited to the Forex market. And you can use any time frame, any currency pair or any pair that supports the crypto. So you can simply use this one. So if we go to the next page, then I have the best broker that I am using, and this broker is regulated with the best spreads into the market, and their deposit and withdrawal methods are quite fast. I will show you the proofs of my withdrawals in the next video. So I will show you some of the withdrawals. So they offer variety of trading accounts from standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero, and the pro account. So I have given the broker link in the description of this video below, so you can find out all details inside the description. Now let's move towards the strategy, which is very simple, and definitely this is going to make you $500 a day in a very easy way. So we are going to use the indicator that is called wave trend with crosses. And please note that this is Lazy Bear wave trend with crosses, and the name of the author is Lone Star 108. And look at the popularity of this indicator, that 16,868 traders are using this indicator due to the benefit of its accuracy. Okay, so if I attach this indicator on my screen, so it has a basic look like this. So it basically works like in the form of some moving averages and some entry signals. So today we are going to filter out the best signals from the wave trend. Now I'm going to attach the second indicator in my list, and this is called EMA. If you will write EMA into the trading view, then a moving average exponential will come, and now we are going to the settings of the moving average exponential. So if we go to the settings, we need to change the length to 200 from 9, and then I'm going to give it a yellow color so that it should look prominent on my screen. Okay, now guys, you can see the results are very nice, because if we look at here, below the 200 EMA we are into the downtrend. Okay, so it means that right now the chart that is open in front of me is the gold 15-minute chart, and you can simply see that the market candles are below the 200 EMA, or we are into the downtrend. Okay, now let's have a look on the indicator, that how this indicator is very special. Okay, so first of all, please note that look, we have some dots on the below indicator. As you can see, green dots for buy and the red dots for sell. So you just need to take care of one thing, that you are not supposed to take any kind of buy positions when you are below the 200 EMA, right? Okay, so for example, let's say here we have received a buy signal from the dot, and you can see the market pumped up, but we are not going to take a buy position, and then it has pointed us with the sell direction, and you can see here we had a very good scalping chance from here, from this candle. Even if you look at this candle, somehow the color is bit changed, because it is due to the indicator setup, that it is pointing you that I am providing a sell signal on this candle. So you can always set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then you can target something. And if we target about this trade, then it was very simple, that it was able to give us 1.41 trading ratio here on this trade, and then another sell signal was appeared here. You can see it was down, and similarly the buy signal here comes here, but we are not interested, and again we have the sell signal. And guys, look at this candle. On this candle, it has pointed us with a sell signal. You can set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then you can see you were able to catch 1.65 trading ratio here. Okay, so similarly, if you look at here, the market breaks above the moving average, but still it does not sustain above it. So let's see that what it is going to happen. If it moves above the 200 EMA, then we are going to go for the bullish signals. Okay, so if we go back and look at the previous trend, then guys, you can simply see that the market was above the 200 EMA, and we have seen very good bullish signals. Look at this green dot. Okay, So going for the long position from this, okay, you can set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and you can see it was the very easy trade that has given you 5.31 trading ratio here. Again here it was we have a buy signal here. You can see green dot, and also the candle turned yellow. It pumped up. So there are a lot of scalping chances. You are only supposed to take the buy positions when you are above the 200 EMA, and when you see that the pattern is declining. So for example, let me give you an example here. You can see here the market is making the lower highs. It means that the trend is might be changing. So in that situation, you are not supposed to take the trades, and basically wait. That would be much better. And then you can see here we went into the downtrend, and then you can see we have a lot of scalping chances in the downtrend. Even this indicator is working on the other pairs like Euro USD, USD CHF. You can trade anything you want. Okay, so simply look on Euro USD 15-minute. There was a lot of scalping chances. So guys, this indicator is not limited to 15-minute. You can use any time frame of your choice. All you need is to focus with the 200 EMA. Like for example, this is the good example. The trend got changed from the downtrend to the uptrend, and you can see we have a yellow candle here. Now you can see the dots are going into the upward direction, and we have the good buying opportunities on Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, this is how you need to manage this indicator, and this indicator has a very good success rate. Just implement the strategy, follow the results that will come on your MetaTrader, and hopefully you will enjoy the results. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Please let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe FX Mentor US, like our videos, and share our videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.